Watch and see what I spend my $500 on. We love going on lots of adventures. We might have to do some things different than others, but it doesn't stop us from exploring this beautiful world God has sent us. Like and subscribe and follow our journey. As you just saw, I won $500 from RV Wholesalers. So, what does a new RV owner buy with $500? Well, this is what we decided to buy, and I'll tell you why we bought everything. We did get a Stinky Slinky, as some people call them, not free, with the kit that we bought from Funtown RV. But our hitch has where you can put the Stinky Slinky, and the hose that they gave us was really cheap, and it doesn't fit in. So hopefully this will fit. If it fits, then we'll use this one. If not, we'll just continue using the one we have for 6 months, and then use this one in 6 months, because you have to change those every 6 months. It fits! Yay! This is gonna be so nice. This we didn't have, but we haven't stayed at a place that has sewage hookups. So, but on Sunday we are staying at a place, so we're excited to have this to use. It kind of just helps everything just flow like it's supposed to. We got this. It's heavier than I thought it was. You put it between your two tires right here, and it's just another safe way to help it not roll and make it more sturdy. The lady, oh actually no, this isn't what I thought it was. We needed the water filters, and so I was looking at buying them on Amazon, but they had two there, and I had the $500, so I just went on and got those. When we pulled up for the first time, we realized we didn't have a level, and so we were driving around trying to find a level. I finally found one for $25, and it was this big. But so I just went on and bought the levels that we can stick on the RV, and we won't have to use the little handy dandy level I bought. Bentley was convinced he needed this stove. He does do the dishes, and we were getting the Chuck's blocks for him to stand on to do the dishes, and he says it hurts his feet, and so he needed this $11 stove. Who's going to argue with the redhead? We got this. It's this new shower hose. The lady says it really does help with the pressure, and you can get like a full pressure, like a regular shower pressure from this hose, which will be good because we'll be hosing Ben off in there soon. At the last state park we stayed at, we just used those showers because we didn't have sewage hookups instead of having to dump our tanks, so it was just easier to use those. I'm really excited about this because if anyone stayed at a state park, y'all know how bad the internet service is. And so this is a Wi-Fi booster, and so it's supposed to, it says Wi-Fi like home wherever you roam. So this was the most expensive thing I bought, and it was like $116. And the cheapest thing I bought, I think, was maybe the levels, because I think those were like $5. So this is what I bought with my $500 from RV Wholesale. If you watch the virtual RV shows, you too could win $500. And what will you buy? Comment below and let me know.